Hey guys, it's Chloe. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am at the Thai cooking course in Hua Hin. I'm really excited because I love cooking, especially Thai food. And let's go. So now we're going to put these cut spring onions, which are 2 knuckles long, here you go, into the bowl. So these are non-spicy bell peppers. I can't really talk so much because I am frying these cashew nuts. Look how much ingredients we have. And there's so many more ingredients, and now we're about to fry it. The chicken, the mushroom, and the garlic. So now I'm going to try my masterpiece.
What about me? Can I try your dish? No. Is it hot? Oh my god.
So right now we're making mango sticky rice, and no one knows how much I like sticky rice and mango, because normally when I go to buffets and whatever, I just crave sticky rice and mango and eat nothing else. So this is gonna be awesome. It's like mashing potatoes, but like rice edition. And look, it's like this. It's really runny, and I'm so happy that I'm here, and I'm ready to come again. I'm mixing my rice right now, and it's really mushy. It's really It's really mushy. I'm not lying. And this is in Hua Hin. Oh, and it's really good. And for an example, you gotta mix this really good, or else it won't be that mixed in and it won't be that good.